Hi student, today I am going to start the first chapter of physics from class 6 standard, that is measurement and motion. So measurement is very important in our daily life. So if we go to market, if we need to buy some vegetables or grocery items, so in all cases we need measurement. So let's understand the term measurement. So measurement is comparing an unknown quantity with a known quantity. It's the comparison of unknown quantity with a known quantity. So suppose we are going to a market and we need to buy some grocery items. Suppose we need to buy 2 kg rice. Okay, that we need to buy. So what shopkeeper will do? All of you probably seen in the balance. So in earlier case, the shopkeeper used this type of balance. Now it becomes digital. So suppose we need to buy that 2 kg rice. Then what shopkeeper will do? In one plate, he will put rice, and in another plate, he will put a weight. Put a weight. This type of weight is there. So ये होगा 2 kg का. So this 2 kg weight he will put here and rice he will put here. So यहाँ पे वो राइस ऐड करते जाएंगे जब तक ये दोनों प्लेट इक्वल लेवल में नहीं आ जाता. जब ये दोनों प्लेट इक्वल लेवल में आएंगे, दैट मीन्स the weight of the rice will become 2 kg. देखो, पहले हम लोगों का राइस का वेट पता नहीं था, लेकिन we know the weight of this. Yes, it is a 2 kg weight. So he will measure this unknown quantity. Weight of the rice is unknown, no? So this unknown quantity we will compare with this known quantity, and in this way we will measure the amount of rice. So that's why the definition of measurement is comparison of unknown quantity with a known quantity. Okay. So for measuring any quantity, we need unit system. I mean, generally we use two types of system of unit. One is SI system and another one is CGS system. Okay, so SI system is a such type of system which is used everywhere by everyone. And here, suppose mass. The unit of mass is kg. Unit of length is meter. Kg means actually kilogram. In short, we can write it kg. Next time. The SI unit of time is second. Okay. In CGS system, unit of mass is gram, that is represented by G. Unit of length is centimeter, and unit of time is second. Okay, actually CGS means centimeter, gram, second, and this SI system is also called MKS system, that means meter, kilogram, second. Okay, so these are the units which are required in our daily life for measurement, because if we buy any solid substance, apple, rice, potato, everything, we need this unit, either kilogram or gram. Next, to measure the length of any substance, we need meter or centimeter, and for measurement of time we need second. Okay, so some other units are also there, liter for measuring liquid substance, no? So these are the units which will be required for the measurement in our daily life. So our next topic is a physical quantity. So what is physical quantity? So physical quantity are those quantity which can be measured. Okay, the quantities which can be measured, that are called physical quantity. For example, weight, mass, length, time. These all are physical quantity, or for measurement of physical quantity only we need unit system. Just we have discussed SI system or CGS system. Okay, and some quantity, for example love, okay, anger. So this quantity cannot be measured. You can't measure how much your parents love you or how much you love your parents. So this quantity we can't measure. So these are not a physical quantity. Okay.